Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create group tab on Samsung Internet Browser. So if you want to create a group tab on your Samsung Internet Browser, then here's a video for you. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to create group tabs on Samsung Internet Browser, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung Internet Browser. Then on the Internet Browser page, click on the tabs you opened. This is the square shapes with number in it, so you can see I have 9 tabs opened. Go ahead and click on that to open all your tabs. Then locate and click on the 3 dots at the top right. Here you should say create tab group, and click on that. Then select the tabs you want to group together. Once you've selected the tab you want to group together, go ahead and click on group. Then give this group a name. So I'm just going to say group tab. Then go ahead and click on create. Then once you click on the create button, then you're good to go. Now when next you want to open the group tab, click on all open tabs. Then come to all tabs. Then you should see the group tab here. Click on that. Then you should see all the tabs in the group tab. You see that? Then you're good to go. So that is basically how to create group tabs in Samsung Internet Browser. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.